Hola a todos. Oh, got to be in English? Oh, sorry. Hello everyone. We're here to talk about a new solution we have been working on in the last months. You probably know what web mapping is. Probably all of you have done something with Google Map, a mashup, or stuff like that. But probably you just really don't know that behind that app is a client or a server. The server is the one that got the data, and it's like the one that's serving you, like geo server, map server, and all that stuff. Well, at our company we had a real big problem. It works slow. We're in Argentina, we got small servers, and for us, if we got slow servers, the client is saying, "What's that? Please leave and bring me those issue guys. Yeah, they do better work." So we got to find a solution for that. We started trying on most of the actually cache systems. We tried to use the GeoWeb cache, probably the biggest solution out there. It's integrated with GeoServer. It worked really nice, but it takes a long time for a developer to configure it. And we are a lot of developers, so like 50. It's really nice to have it working fast. Tile cache is probably another solution. We have heard the guys using it on Amazon. It's fast, it's one of the best tiling mechanisms out there, but it takes a long time to configure. It has a hard config file. There are tools to make you a config file, so we really don't like it for development. Speed is another solution. It's big, it's fast, it's easy to configure, but it takes you a month more time to get the network, the virtual host, and all that stuff. So we say, okay, we have all that stuff, but it takes you more time configuring it than developing the solution. What can we do? Well, we try to work on a new idea, something that worked like Squid, but he knew about spatial data. So you can say, okay, I got all these requests, I got the PDF, and you can ask the geo server a PDF, but it actually worked more like Squid than a normal geo server. It's simple to configure. You just have to change one line to get it working without any WMS. So what we are trying to do is get a new kind of cache system that can be used on development time. If you are trying to develop some kind of product, a mashup or whatever, and you're using a WMS, you can configure it in like 20 seconds. I buy you a beer if you can't. So please give it a try. It's easy to use. It's like a one config file. It's written on Python. It's pretty easy for any developer to change it, to see what's happening here. I can touch it. I can make some little change to make it work like I want. It's flexible. You can configure different filters to store the data in different directories. So you can make it small and fast, or big and powerful. Almost like Squid. Not that big, but probably something similar. What we really like about it is that we don't spend time configuring it. We set it, we download, and we use it. That's it. To get down the file, we are hosting it in Google Code, actually. Because why? Probably everyone here have a Gmail account. You can use it, you can support the project, you can work in the project, you can add new features, you can say, hey, I really like this, it's a new concept, I like how it works, but I really like this, like something. How about predicted caching? Like if you get that tile, probably the client is gonna need that and that one. Okay, start creating an issue. We probably work on that like in a minute or something like that. You can get it working really fast, so that's why we try to speak about it, because we really think it's a good idea for developers mainly, and everyone that's trying to work with a WMS, like GeoServer, UML, map server, and all that stuff. Well, that's it. Why we are here? Well, it has been developing like the last 2 months, and we really are not very known out there. So we try to make a community, say, okay, we have this idea, probably it's good, probably it's crap, but we don't know actually. It's useful for us, so okay, let's talk about it, support it, contribute, and let's talk. Let's make a good solution. it's not a replacement of Geo Web Cache or Time Cache. They are big solutions, they work really well and really fast, so understand that, but it can save you a lot of time on development time, and developers are, like they said this morning, the one that feed the software. So it's something interesting. Thank you very much. Please contribute.
Thank you, Fabio.